Hey friends, welcome back to the channel for my Christmas 2020 home tour. My name is Jenny if you're new, and I really hope you enjoy this little tour of my house decorated for Christmas. And we are currently having a big December giveaway on my channel, so I just wanted to quickly let you guys know about it. We're giving away a Mooso cordless vacuum and also a couple of other Amazon gifts. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you like this kind of content and you end up liking what you see today, go ahead and make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment, and I'll go ahead and enter you into that contest. And you can also go back to my previous video, the one right before this, and leave a comment there as well, because I'm going to be collecting all the comments from my videos in December for this giveaway. Now that we have all that out of the way, I really hope you guys enjoy the home tour. So as you walk into the house here, you're going to see a long, narrow hallway. And then as you make your way to the left, this is what we call our family room. This is a pretty large room, so we have this divided into 3 parts. We have the middle section right here, which is where we have our sofa and our TV. And as you can see, I've just put a couple of Christmas pillows, a cable knit pillow, and this cute little wreath pillow. And then here on the coffee table, I just have our basket that we pretty much have out year round, but I put some Christmas trees and a hearth and hand candle. And here by the TV, I just keep it really simple because we just want to cover up pretty much these wires right here, but I don't want to cover up the TV signal. So it's just a very simple low profile wreath. And then moving over to this other side of the room, this is a his and her office for my husband and I. So this is his side of the office. And I'm only really showing the office because it's part of the family room, but we really don't have much by way of Christmas decorations in here. I did put a little tree up on each of our shelves, and I thought that gave it a cute little Christmas touch. We definitely enjoy working here together, especially on my husband's off days from work. He'll do a lot of his schoolwork in here, and I'll sometimes work on YouTube here. And this is my side of the office. And so I have just again, this little tree just to kind of signify that it's Christmas. And then on my storage ottoman where I keep some of my equipment, I just put a little red pillow that says "Be Merry." And moving to the other side of the room, I call this my mom corner. So this is pretty much where I like to hang out, especially in the mornings. I like to come in here and read my Bible, and then I love to read a book, just any fun book that I feel like I don't have a whole lot of time for during the day. That is when I will take some time to do that. And I just have this little candle here on top of a book with a tree. And then here's my little bookshelf. Let me know if you see any books that you have read or enjoyed. But I did try to put it in rainbow order just to make it a little more visually appealing, but it's really just an old bookshelf. So then if you move over into the hall and go straight, you're gonna see just a very narrow foyer table. So it's a little entryway where I can put my keys. And then as you come down the hall and make a left, you're gonna head into the kitchen. So I think my decor so far this year has been pretty neutral, but here in the kitchen I did try to add some pops of red because I just thought that looked so pretty, especially against the white cabinets. And so I did paint my cabinets white at the beginning of this year, and I'm still loving them. They're still holding up really well. So if you want to take a look at that video, if you're interested, I'll have that linked in my description box. Also, if you see anything in my house that you would like to know where I got it, I'd be happy to answer it in the comments. You might also want to check out my clean and decorate video because I do explain where I purchased pretty much everything. But go ahead and drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I would love to answer them for you. Love this little advent calendar. We have a 2-year-old, and it's been fun because he's learning how to count, and we're using the advent calendar. And then here on this cutting board, I have just a cute little Christmas plate to go along with my yearly decor, and I put another little Christmas tree next to it, and I thought that was really sweet and simple. And over here I have the hot cocoa bar all set up for the kids. I have 3 kids, so they are enjoying some hot cocoa in the evenings while we watch our Christmas movies. And it wouldn't be complete without a candy cane stir and some marshmallows. And we've just been enjoying sitting down with a cup of hot cocoa and popping some popcorn and enjoying some Christmas movies together. That's just one of my favorite things to do during the holiday season when it's cold outside, just to snuggle up on the sofa and enjoy some movies. Let me know in the comments what fun Christmas traditions that you enjoy. And as you step out of the kitchen, you're going to enter into the dining room. And this is another long, narrow room similar to the family room. And on this side, we have the fireplace. And as you can see, I have all of our stockings up and just some greenery on the mantle with some candlesticks and a little bit of garland. And I just kept it really simple and mostly neutral. And that's just kind of the look that I was going for this year, a little bit more of a minimal look. And I'm just really happy with the way it turned out. I think it's very kind of calming to the eye, and it's just not very busy, and so I've really been enjoying it. And since my 2-year-old son can reach this little bookshelf, I have his little Fisher-Price manger scene on here because that's a safe thing for him to play with. Here on the tree this year, we did go for Shatterproof Ornaments because of our 2-year-old. We wanted to make sure he was safe in case he pulled any down. So these are all just made of cardboard or paper or plastic or tin, and that way he can't hurt himself if he manages to grab a hold of one. And then I'm bringing you into my daughter Noelle's room. She's 15 and she decided to add some of her own Christmas decorations this year. And I just thought they came out really pretty. I thought she did a really great job. I do want to decorate my bedroom for Christmas one year, but it didn't happen this year, so I'm thinking maybe next year it will happen. But I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of her room because I just think she did a really nice job decorating her room for Christmas. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little quick home tour of our Christmas decorations, and make sure before you leave today you go ahead and join the giveaway. And I am so grateful that you spent a little time with me today, and I hope that I get to see you on the next video. Bye guys.